What is up, guys? I haven't done a video in a long time. Happy New Year. I haven't done a video since last year. There was some severe weather that was happening last year that I didn't upload that one day in July. I'm planning on uploading it soon, but I'm over here. This is a 1 year update from when I was here last year. A lot of things changed here. Here's the South Shore. It's like night and day. They got rid of that bike path I was talking about. Here's enough speaking, but here it is. There's people here, so I'm gonna make it a little bit brief. That's the bridge. Is going to be going over the GT line, and it's also going to be going over the 45th Avenue, and then it's going to come down this way. Then it's going to come over here, right here. This is where the path used to be at. So here's the line. It's going to go here, but I guess it's gone now because people will walk right in front of the train. And the bike path is still here, which I'm surprised. And here it is. Here's the most shocking part of the thing, from last year at least. They got 4 new crossings here with, I guess they look like Western Cullen Hayes bells. Yeah, they are, because it's a Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism. And the lights, they're blocked off. But here is the grade. This is facing south towards Munster. It's facing north towards Hammond. Here's the other crossing. It's pretty interesting because now this is totally different. They put a wall right there too for the that divides the bike path and the tracks. Yeah, this is totally different. It's pretty cool though. There's a west-facing view of the crossing. It's totally different from what last year. Guess that's all that's different here. Also, everyone's just looking at me. It's pretty uncomfortable. But also, it looks like they're having like a surveillance thing over there too. I might come back here, or I might go to 45th because you get to see the bridge better because it's going over 45th. I'll probably go there once I'm done going north. So yeah, it was pretty uncomfortable too because everyone's just looking at me. So also, I can't even go back there where the old diamond is at. I'm 100% sure they removed it because the tracks, they had to put the new tracks there. So no more Monon and PRR diamond that was remained until probably at least 2021, where that was the last time I was here. So we're gonna head north right now. See you guys. All right, so we're gonna start heading north. It's time to get out of here, so because everyone's staring at me like I'm a space alien. So also, I'm gonna switch to the 4K camera, so expect the quality change. Here it is. No, you can't. Why is it so bright? So right now we're running parallel with the South Shore line, ex-Monon. There's nothing to see because they put the wall right there. So reaction part 2. They got the crossings on Ridge Road. Same thing, Western Cullen Hayes, bells, gates, everything. With this new station right there. It's pretty cool. We got a detour because they're closing the road going north. So there's a station platform right there. The parking's gonna be across the street. So that's There's the infamous bridge. They still haven't done nothing about it. There's the station right there. Kind of looks like Homewood, but I don't know. It's pretty cool. It's like they restored the bridge. The path is still here, which is again surprising. We got the tracks up there. Everyone's walking, which means more uncomfortable stuff. Yeah, run for the video. Whoa. Catching, we're about to hit the Borman Expressway, where the Little Calumet River Bridge was. You can see it from here now. They're almost done with this. Should be completed by next year or 2026. Look at this guy, he's in the back. Is that Derek? Alright, I might go up there. I don't know if I'll be in trouble or not, but that's whatever. Right, hopefully I don't get shot up over here. But this is the Little Calumet River Bridge that used to be. Wow. Just compare it to last year. Oh yeah, they tore down the old bridge where the Monon trail was at. Looks like they're gonna put a new bridge up here somewhere. The track's gonna continue up north past the Borman Expressway. It's totally different. But they got the rail tiles, they got the bridge and everything. The river, if you can see it. But there's the Borman, goes underneath it. Over there used to be the old railroad yard, which is now going to be the 173rd station. So yeah, that's all you can see here. See the Munster station. I don't know why. This is like in between the Hammond station, and then over there you see the Munster station. But yeah, so that's it for Munster. Off to Hammond. Off to Hammond. Right there, splits Munster Hammond. Hohman Ave. Welcome to Hammond, Mr. McDonough. The dumbest street like this. Yeah, 173rd, and you'll take that side road. The second station is supposed to be at. I don't even know if it's still happening. Oh, more railroad crossings. More Western Colin Hayes. Pretty rare out here. Go and turn left on Lyman Avenue. Bike trail's still here. Railroad crossing where the old rail yard used to be. Pretty scary, pretty scary. There it is. Looks like they're getting ready for the tracks. Station platform, parking lot with unfinished lights. The path is still here, which is weird. I guess I'm gonna keep it. We got those telephone lines. I don't know if they're still using electric, but it looks like they are. Putting that up. Rails, gravel. Looks like they're doing some kind of weird doohickey thing over there on 165th with the railroad crossing. They got like 10,000 different. Oh, they got the side lights. That's what it is. The cantilever. We got the cantilever before the trail bridge. There's 165th railroad crossing. Holy crazy. Weird goofy little turn right here. Turn left. Woo! More that winter. Wow, this is crazy. Totally different from last year. Almost approaching downtown Hammond. Another railroad crossing. 2024. Nice LED light. Could be another switcheroo here somewhere. Turn left and right. There's a Conkey Street. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I think this is the one where that late 1990s photo was at, but this is crossing. I'm switching sides again. Alright. Heading north. Detroit Street. All these crossings got the safety. Pedestrian crossing. This is his initial reaction. I haven't been out here. It's like 10,000 lights. It is a nice day out, so everyone's walking. Waltham Street. There's the school. Where they give you lackawanna, Monon, got the rail house over there. There's some traffic. Tracks just disappeared. Oh, down the other side. At the store. Here's the Douglas Street crossing. I was here about 6 years ago when it was
okay, here is an abandoned rail crossing on Douglas Street in Hammond, Indiana. Here, some old rails facing north toward Russell Street, facing south. And this is all that's left here from the Monon. There's only a rail left. There used to be rail crossings that were in here.
Hold that together. Douglas Street. North to the bridge that goes over Hohman. South, you can see they got the other side. The reason why we're not going on Hohman is because they closed it because they're doing a bunch of construction on Hohman in the downtown area. They're trying to revive it. I'm going on Seoul Street right now. Michigan Street. There's the bridge that takes it downtown Hammond. Getting a bunch of stuff done. Goes over Michigan and Hohman with new traffic lights. Alright, switch cameras because that camera don't want to cooperate. There's the bridge again. There's the bridge into downtown Hammond. New traffic lights on Hohman.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
There you go, railroad crossing until the actual South Shore. Turn left. Yep. Hohman. Bridge. Wow, look at that. Goes this way, another bridge. Chicago Ave. Turn left. There's a bridge. It's gonna connect with the normal Chicago to South Bend line. Goes over the CSX tracks. Hammond Station this way. So they're building a gazebo. Goes over that and it connects with it. Oh yeah, what the heck? They're building another station. We got new railroad crossings here. It's the old station. And that's it. That is the updated 2024 South Shore line. Probably be back next year. That's no guarantees, but yeah. And I'll see you in the outro. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I said I'll be back at 45th right now. I'm waiting for Amtrak train is gonna come by right now. But here's the progress. You see the pillars behind me. As you can tell, they put 2 new railroad crossings. These have Worcester, Cullen, and Hayes mechanical bells, but now they're not. As you can tell, they're building the bridge over this. It's gonna head to the Dyer Station, and it's gonna head over there towards Hammond. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, I'll probably be back in a couple of months, probably in the summertime, give you another update. And yeah, see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out.